Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can add thumbnails to your YouTube videos. It's really simple, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So, the first step is getting onto YouTube Studio. So, once you're into your YouTube Studio page, just like I am right here, what we need to do is just head over to our left side of our screen and click on Content. Now this should show us all of our videos. In order to add thumbnail to them, we are just going to select one of them and click on it on its image. This should open up a menu just like this. Here we can edit the title, the description, and we can also add a thumbnail. Now you can either select one of these three, which is basically suggested from what the video shows, or you can just hit on add a thumbnail and do it that way. Now for me it's asking me to verify my mobile phone as I didn't do it, but in your case it should open up your computer files and you should be able to add a thumbnail from your own files. And that's pretty much all there is to it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one, guys.